I've literally just hit record and I've got nothing to do. This is the first time in, I think, the best part of 3 years, I've got no content to give you. I've got lots of stuff coming, but I've been moving house. I had a few backups. I've used all them up. I've got a couple on the channel that are unlisted, but they're stuff I've done for other companies that there's no point me putting them up because, well, they're not for the channel. I don't know what to do. What should we do? Should we have a quick look around the garage? I've moved house. That's why I've run out of content. I had about 4 or 5 videos over the last couple of weeks. I've just had no time with work and moving house to actually record anything. What we're doing at the moment though, I'll show you a few bits. I've not finished the garage. The state of my hair. Come on, hairdressers, we need you open. So I've charged this little thing up. It's a little WL Toys. Now I've got a mini Z track that I'm going to set up. I'm going to run that round. Also got a mini Z there. Drift one, that is awesome. So we're going to use that as well. So I've got that to do. Just converted the FTX Zorro to brushless. That's a video coming up as well. I need to take that out for a run. You can see it's on the trailer there. I've built that trailer for that cool TRX4. Oh, little sneak peek at the TRX4 for my Sherp. Oh, you're getting treated on this video, aren't you? Maybe I did have content and I said I didn't have content just to make content. Does that make sense? Anyway, let's just go back here a minute. I've not finished. Look at all the mess in here. Loads of mess to sort out. So for those who have been following the channel for a while, I actually work my stuff's from a garage, just a normal garage. Here you go. Look, that's the setup at the moment. We've got some cars up on the wall there. We've got a DR10 from Team Associated drag car. That's coming up as well. The Sherp is asleep in its box. What else is going on? Gens Ace have sent me some batteries because I broke my other ones. I trashed in the soft case. We've got some hard case ones. They sent me a new charger to try. This is giving away all of my upcoming content to you. This is content on what the content's going to be in here. Now, I don't want to show you too much about this. In here is, for those that are looking forward to the new release of the WL Toys, the new 1/10 scale, that is the LC Racing version, which the WL Toys is based on. And that was not cheap. Well, I'm going to do something that Mr. Talbot done a while ago, and that's going to, let's point out while we're in here, this isn't, I've got, at my last count, I think I've got 120 RCs in here. I've only got a handful. He went round and said, bought free. So for those of you that think I constantly shill Banggood, should we have a look? Let me switch the garage light on. So a box full of WPLs, all bought that. That's for, when I say bought it, it's a retro thing that I've had. I got off a mate of mine. Bought both of them. There's a videos coming up with them. There's something else in there that I bought. Free. ZD Racing was free, but the stuff inside it, the electronics I bought, both free. Bought that one. That was free. There's a X-Rider Cafe Racer motorbike in there. That was free. Bought the Big Rock. That was free. That little buggy. That is an awesome little thing there. Radix was free. I bought that 144001. Already looked at that. I bought that. That was expensive. Bought that truck or lorry. This body, the current the 2020 WR8 body, most places sold out. They sell on eBay for about 120 to 150 pound, even though they're only 75 new. This one is from 2015. I think it's worth probably a bit more than that. I don't want to take that out of the packet. Anyway, so what was it? Yeah, I bought my Harvey, bought the GRPs on it. I bought my Limitless. That was free. The actual TRX4 Sport, the TRX4 Sport I got free, I think, but bought the tracks, bought a new body. that was free. Trailer wasn't, that was free. I think they were free, that was free. Mixture of mini things there, half of them probably bought, half of them free. One of them I bought, one of them was free. The Summit, I think that was half and half. I think I got a good I think I got 50% coupon for that to do a review on it. Little ZD Racing Pirates 2 short course, that was free. There's a mini down there, MO3 mini, bought. WPLs, that bottom one was free. Bought that one, that's my original one. That was free. That was free. They were free. Honda City Turbo, obviously, bought that. SCX 24, I've not even got that out of the box to review it yet, bought that. Well, we've got 50-50 in the garage. Free. Bought. Well, maybe over 50-50, but anyway, I don't always do the free stuff, but this is only probably a third of my stuff. Oh, and the shirt in there, I bought that as well. That was like $600 or about £500. Bought that. So I do spend some money on the channel, even though I do get quite a bit of stuff for free. When you see a little paid promotion tag down in the corner there, I'm not physically getting paid cash. I'll get sent something like this. I only have to do a single review of it, and that's that paid promotion bit. It might take me 2 hours, it might take me 6 hours to do a video, but that's my time. I've got all the equipment that I've had to pay for it, so I don't see a problem with it. I know some people do see a problem with it, but most of you don't. But anyway, this isn't a rant video of just saying I spent about 18 grand on the channel last year. That's new equipment, cars, trucks, all sorts of stuff. Pretty much all the money that comes in from this channel gets put straight back into it. Right, it is 1:20 on Sunday. I'm going to go and edit this video now so you've got some content. So the title of this video is now wrong because I said I didn't have any content, but I've just given you some content. Anyway, back to normal on the channel. Now we've got most of the stuff in the garage, lots of stuff coming up. Remember that red button down there somewhere, it doesn't cost you anything to press it. There's lots of people that still don't subscribe even though you watch my channel quite often. I can see that on the analytics that returning viewers, lots of you, don't subscribe. Come on, let's get to 40k. At 50k I'm doing the biggest giveaway I've ever done, so you need to subscribe if you want to win something good. I'll see you next time.